Working on this D5K, drain the oil in it, and the final drive, and on the magnet plug had what looked to be a piece of the bearing cage of some kind of bearing that's in the final drive. So I figured it's worth investigating, and that I was right. I don't know if you can see that, but we're missing about half the ball bearings in there. And there's just debris everywhere. So, no bueno. You can see inside the planetary here all the pieces of the bearing in there. Heavy as hell. Had to use an A-frame just to pull that hub off. But now I need to take the whole sprocket off and the big bearing, get pretty much all the way to the hydraulic motor, if that's not the hydraulic motor bearing. So see what happens.